Step 1. Open the box and lay out all rail components in an organized manner. Step 2. Remove the original screws from the tailgate. Step 3. Confirm the installation position for the tailgate rail according to the video. Align the holes on the rail with the corresponding holes on the vehicle. Secure it by tightening the screws. Repeat the same process for the other end. Step 4. Press the tie-down rings into place and rotate to lock. Insert the thumb screw. Tighten the nut to fix the screw at your desired position.